How's it going, everyone? Mike here with May 4th, Merch by Amazon sales update. Actually, this will be a bit of a month in review, I guess, so far. And simply because of the recent changes to merch and everything. So there were a number of things that I actually wanted to discuss. I wanted to give you guys updates on my sales. Maybe better terminology would be the lack of sales, and then we'll talk about some of the current live products and what's been allowed, the I guess the allowed daily limits and all that kind of stuff that I've noticed a change over the last I guess even 12 hours. So I just wanted to go over that. I'll kind of go over a number of these things. So let's look at, I guess, the screen where we are right now. As you can see here, first zero in probably, I don't even know, 5-6 months, if not, I really don't know. And that was because of the big update to merch and all the changes. Right after that, there was a spike, and then kind of slowed down until May 1st. So looking at May 1st, as you can see here, 5, then it went up to 12, 5, and then today is an extremely slow day. But again, this is all US, but not much different across the board. A bunch of zeros, and again, this is for the first 4 days of the month. The total sales are 26, 24 in the US and 2 in Germany. So again, a lot of changes. If we look at the average, it's not much different than most of April. I suspect there will be a bunch of I guess there will be a big difference in sales for the month. I'm expecting an increase in overall sales, but I think the beginning, as you can see, will be pretty rough. But that's okay. So those are the sales. So this month, 24, so that's 4 days exactly that we're looking at, and then 2 in Germany for a total of 26. Now, what I wanted to talk about is, of course, the update to merch. So this is the screen. I know this is a very confusing screen for those of you guys who don't have this Chrome extension, and I'm still actually getting used to it. But this is what I wanted to kind of bring up on the screen, which is the 600. This was 60 yesterday. Amazon has limited the number of products. I have to be careful now with the terminology, not designs, but products that you can list. This is the daily upload limit, and this is for tier 20,000. I'm actually curious, is this the same for everybody? You guys in different tiers, is this, for example, is the ratio the same that would have been for the total number of designs that were available for updates? So for example, if you're in tier 10,000 or 8,000 or even 100, are the numbers the same, or are they kind of relative to your tier? Let me know, because I'm curious. I haven't seen that information anywhere else. So basically, for the last 2 days, which is when my account was enabled for all these products, so this is actually good to go for me currently. I wanted to stay on track, because there's no way that I'm going to get to this number anytime soon, right? That's just being realistic. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to actually take an advantage of the time that I had, or not just the time, but the designs that were ready to go, ready to be listed. So like I said, the last 2 days I was uploading 60 a day, and then today it was up to 600. So I took advantage of that, and I uploaded 600 designs. So basically what I'm doing right now is uploading designs that are already up on the US market, but for certain products. So what I'm doing is I'm actually pushing those to pretty much every single marketplace and every single product that makes sense. There were a few, for example, because of the colors and what I was doing, it didn't make sense to go on all the products, and I just didn't want to have crappy products up just because, you know, I could. But in either case, I had the spreadsheets ready using Merch Titan's automation tool, and this was fairly easy to do, which is basically like 10 designs would equal about 600 products. Again, I'm still being very, very careful here with the terminology. So as you can see here, I still have 16,540 designs that I can upload, which will total let's just round this up, 1.3 million products. Again, I did a video where I was talking about Merch 2.0. I'm referring to it as Merch 2.0. And this isn't a simple tier up. This is a whole restructuring of everything that we know about merch. So anyways, that's kind of where I am right now. I hope they upload, they increase the upload limit again and fairly soon, because honestly, like I could do 50,000 if I let Merch Titan's automation run and go through my spreadsheets, and I can do, you know, for example, if I put 100 designs on one spreadsheet, that would mean that I'm looking at what, 6,000 products that could go live, right? So basically, I do have the designs. I definitely don't have 16,500, but I do have designs to stay busy for at least a few months at this pace, and a few weeks if they increase this. So right now, basically, my strategy is to get designs, to rework my spreadsheets, which is basically what I use for Merch Titan's automation, and to just keep listing, because I remember when I was in tier 10, when I was in tier 100, I did not miss a single day. I wanted to have every single product up that I could, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So as you can see here, you know, tier 20,000, but I already have 20,483 products live, which, you know, is a good feeling. Anyways, so in summary, basically sales are super slow, but that's okay. I'm not worried. We're 4 days into the month. I'd like to see more days like this, less days like this. But again, you know, 4 days, about $100 in royalties. Again, definitely not going to complain. One thing, and I've been mentioning this for weeks, but one thing I actually just noticed, as you can see here, and it was only using the Productor Chrome extension that you're looking at here. And again, I don't know if that's the right pronunciation, but I just actually hit, with all the returns taken into consideration, 8,000 sales in total. So right now is when I would have kind of comfortably been eligible for that tier update to 10,000, but here we are sitting at 20,000 with 1.3 million products to go. So again, very excited about this. This kind of stuff does not concern me at all. All I'm going to do is stay busy, and I hope you guys are too. Let me know about these upload limits. I'm really curious. I don't know if they're the same. Yesterday was 60. Today started out as 60, but was increased to 600. So, you know, again, very, very exciting things happening with merch, and I hope it really translates into more sales. As always, thanks guys for watching. Let me know how you're doing, how you're feeling about this whole thing, and let's stay busy. See you soon.